I made $15,240 in just 3 days. No new strategy, no secret indicators, just clean price action entries. And if you don't understand this, you're probably trading the wrong side of the move. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Honestly, it's not your fault. Traders on YouTube, they want your charts to look like this. They want it to be extremely complex, extremely complicated. The truth is, you don't need any of this. You can get rid of all of it and focus on one simple thing: price action. This price action entry model that you're seeing right now has led me to take some of the largest trades in my entire career. And so in this video, I'm going to give you a full breakdown from start to finish on how to use this price action strategy. I'm going to show you how to increase your trading win rate by using this entry model. And then at the end, we're going to go over some of the biggest mistakes that you can make with this system. And those mistakes are the reason why traders are so unprofitable. This price action strategy is called the continuation model, and it's one of the easiest entry models to understand. And once you get it, it feels like it unlocks everything for you as a trader. So the first thing that we have to understand is that this trading strategy is a trend-based strategy, which means that we only want to be trading inside of an uptrend or inside of a downtrend. So anytime you see price action looking like this, it is absolutely impossible to utilize this strategy, which is not really that big of a deal anyways, because if you take a look at this, there's not really that big of a move anywhere inside of this consolidation in the first place. Instead, the moves that we're trying to catch are these big moves that you're seeing right here, the ones that end up going all day. These are where you can make some serious money. We want to be trading within this action right here, where we see massive moves to the upside and massive moves to the downside. Now, the easiest way to know whether you are in trend or if you are chopping in that consolidation, like I showed you earlier, is by just understanding very simple market structure, right? So one thing that we see here is we have ourselves a higher low. We continue to make new highs and pull back over and over again. These new highs and new lows that we are making are very clearly showing us that we are trending to the upside. But you see, when we have this sideways action that's basically doing nothing, there's no more higher highs and higher lows being created. As you can see right here, we have ourselves an equal high that does not continue market structure. So at this point, there's pretty much no reason to be getting into a position because we know that there is no move here unless we create a new trend to the opposite direction. And the way to know whether or not we're actually staying in that consolidation or breaking out of that trend is by taking a look at overall price action and making sure that it breaks previous structure. And so what this means essentially is if we see these previous higher lows that are being created that are showing that we have very clear uptrend, if we are to break these previous higher lows, that starts to signal that we are most likely going to start this trend here. And now we are in a downtrend. So now we know exactly where to trade, but how do we actually catch entries and catch these massive moves that I showed you earlier? Well, first things first, we have to understand one simple thing, and this is where most traders completely get trading incorrect, because as you can see, what most people like to do is they like to enter on the break of that structure that we talked about before. There are a lot of gurus that think that a continuation looks like this, which is completely untrue. Not only that, but if you take a trade on the break of the structure up here, take a look at how big this stop loss actually is. These trading strategies that people show you that have to do with this break of structure is terrible. Instead, what I'm looking to do is catch my entry on the move up, right? I want to catch my entry earlier in the move so that way I can secure larger gains. So the entry that I use based on my continuation model is going to be somewhere around here. This secures so much extra money in your trade, and it also limits you to the downside. As you can see, this trade right here that we're looking at is going to have a massive stop loss based on most people's strategies. But the continuation entry model is so much better because you have such a limited downside. So step one of this trend continuation strategy is to make sure that you have a failure in price. And so what that looks like is when we're seeing a trend move up like this, we need to see some sort of pullback for us to even start looking for a trade in the first place. So based on this example right here, we have this uptrending move and then a massive failure at this area. As you can see, once we end up having that red flip, that's when this continuation model starts. The next thing that we need to have for us to get into a position using this model is going to be a break of the previous candle highs. Now, this is different than the downside, so you have to watch both this and the downside for this to make sense. But since we're trading to the upside, we need to see a break of the previous candle highs. Basically, I want to take advantage of the upside continuations that are happening in the market. So my overall move that I'm looking for is something like this, over these highs. If we can break the highs, then I am looking to enter the position to the upside, right? And when it comes to your stop loss, you are going to place your stop loss under the previous candle low. So in this scenario, we're going to have our stop loss underneath this candle low. Now, it does say 78 points. I know that that might be a lot for you, but remember, this is on the higher time frame. So this trade can be done on any time frame. If you want smaller stops, go to a smaller time frame. But for this example, we want our stop loss underneath this previous candle low. Now, this is a massive mistake that traders make every single time they try to use this strategy. What ends up happening is the next candle that we have does not continue higher. Lots of people try to enter as soon as they see some type of high break or some type of failure, and they try to enter on this next candle randomly. It doesn't work like that. We need to see a push over the highs for us to guarantee that a move is going to take place. So do not fall for the trap of, okay, we have our failure, now I can get in. No, we need to see a push over the highs. And so what's going to happen here is we do not get that push over highs that we're looking for. So what we need to see is a break in the previous candle high for us to get in. So here we don't get it. The next candle, we don't get it. So when do we get that break over highs? That's the question we need to ask. And as you can see, this whole time there's no entry whatsoever. The only time that we can catch an entry is if we break the previous candle high and continue trend in our direction. So as you can see right here, we get a large break in the upside direction after trying to come down and grab lows. We sweep liquidity here, and we end up taking a break over this high to continue to the upside direction. Now, here's again where most traders end up messing themselves up because they try to take the position here on this break, and it just doesn't make any sense because look at the amount of this stop loss. It is absolutely insane. So instead, I'm capturing a much larger move and risking half what the average trader risks whenever they're trading. And of course, for this strategy, I always want to target the next level of liquidity up or the next point of interest on my chart. So as we can see right here, this position ends up flying all the way to this target, and this ends up being a massive 265 point move. Not only that, but if you are able to hold this thing in its entirety, you're able to see over 300 points on NQ. This is a massive trade, and all we did was utilize price action to enter with trend continuations. One of my one-on-one mentorship students, Rob, was having this exact problem when he joined SOA. He didn't know where to find these entries, and after working with him and breaking down every single point of his entry, where it should be and exactly how to fix it, he was able to see massive success in his trading strategy. And now Rob is able to consistently make over $500 a day as a day trader. That's how powerful this strategy is. That's over $10,000 a month from this simple concept. And it's not just Rob. I have plenty of students that work with me one-on-one that are seeing success using this one simple strategy. So if you want to work with me one-on-one directly, I'll help you adjust your strategy so that way you are able to finally break the barrier that you're currently in your trading. I've done this with over 500 people. If you take a look at some of these results, they are absolutely amazing. So if you do want to work with me, first link in the description, apply to join Simply Options Academy. Now, if we want to trade to the downside using this entry model, what we need to do is the exact opposite of the upside example. So we need to see a green candle that comes back to pull back in that trend, and we want to enter on the break of previous candle lows. So as you can see here, we get ourselves two green candles here, but we do not break the previous candle low. Therefore, we do not enter, right? What we need to look for is this previous candle low to get broken now with a stop loss over the previous candle high. Now remember, this is on a higher time frame, so your entry, of course, is going to have a pretty decent stop loss on this. If you need significantly less risk, please go to the lower time frame to trade using this entry model. But as you can see, this next candle that comes out ends up breaking this previous candle low, and now we can start to get our entries to the downside very, very smoothly. And as you can see, this trade ends up being an absolute banger, going over 380 points to the downside. Now, there's one thing that you have to understand, and this mistake literally can kill this strategy for you. We need to make sure that you don't fall for something called the equal trap. And what that means is you do not want to be entering on equal highs or equal lows. So a lot of traders, see something like this. They see a pullback in price and they're like, I want to get in so badly. They enter as soon as we touch the previous candle high. It's not a touch of the previous candle high, it is a break of the previous candle high. So unless we get a break, there is no reason to take the position to the upside. As you can see, there's no real break here. Yes, we break it like ever so slightly, but I want to make sure that there's enough volume to actually push over that candle with strength. Take a look at what happens when you don't allow the candle to fully break, and instead you just enter right on the tiny little, like as soon as it gets over the high. We need to see momentum over that previous candle high. And if we can get momentum over it with strength, we know that we're able to actually continue in the same direction. And for all the haters, here is exactly what this entry model looks like live. All right, one more opportunity. This will make a lot of money if we go green here. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Woo! Because what are we up for the day? Yeah, we're up $6,500 today. It's just a great day, man. We got to accept it. I'm going to accept it because we are at that level, and I do think that level is going to hold. I've had some big days this week, actually, dude. So yeah, there it is, right in front of you live. This strategy absolutely works, and it is so incredibly powerful. And if you want me to look over your shoulder and literally watch every single position you're taking, tweaking the small things, tweaking everything you need to be able to actually scale as a trader, well then check the description. If this link exists right here, it means that there's spots in the mentorship program available. Apply for the one-on-one mentorship program and see if you get accepted. And there's one more thing that I forgot to tell you. If you combine this entry model with something like VWAP, something like an EMA or an order block, something that gives you an extra confirmation, it can be insanely powerful. You can make a lot of money, and this is what I do every single day. Video popping up on the screen right now that shows you how to use this entry model with an indicator that will absolutely just change the game for your trading. So go watch that video. It is insanely good. I will see you guys all in the next one. Adios, everybody. Goodbye.